In order to select music, click on the Music button at the top of the Room page. This menu is always visible when running the app in landscape mode. It will show you a list of all of your available music services. From here you can select one to begin playing music. For example, click on Windows Music and then Albums. You will see a list of all your Windows music. From here you have several options. Click Play Now to begin playing all your albums. If there are any songs currently in the queue, this will replace them. Clicking Add will add the selected albums to the queue. You can adjust which albums you want to add to the queue with the Check All and Uncheck All buttons. If you click Uncheck All, the green check marks next to every album will turn gray. Now you can manually select which albums you want to add to the queue by clicking on the check mark. It will turn green for each selected album. Similarly, if you click Check All, the gray check marks on every album will turn green. Now you can manually deselect which albums you do not want to add to the queue by clicking on the check mark. It will turn gray for each deselected album. You can also select specific songs within an album by clicking on the album cover and then using the same options to select or deselect songs. You can return to the Room page at any time by clicking Now Playing in the top right corner. You can also search for music using the search bar at the top of the page. For example, type The Beatles and click Search. Or click the microphone icon and say The Beatles. The more you type, the more the search will filter your results, and then you can select the songs you want to add to the queue. You can view your queue by clicking Queue at the bottom of the main menu. Please note that this icon is only visible when you select disc music. It will also indicate how many songs are in your queue. If you want to remove a song from the queue, click on Edit at the top of the menu and click the red minus sign next to the song you want to remove. You will then be prompted to confirm that you want to delete this song from the queue. You can also rearrange the order of your songs by clicking on the right side of the song and dragging it to its new location in the queue. When you're finished editing the queue, click Done at the top of the menu. You can search for songs in your queue by clicking the magnifying glass icon and typing the name of the song you want to find. The currently playing song will have a blue play icon next to it. If you want to save your current queue, navigate back to the main Room page and click the plus sign. Next, click New Playlist, enter a name for it, and click OK. Now you can access it by navigating back to the Music menu. Your new playlist will be listed under CasaTunes playlists. For more information about how to add or remove songs from playlists, please see the video on how to create and manage playlists. And finally, going back to the queue, the Trash Can button will clear your entire queue.